1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to give her a double inside turn, 360. 1, 2, 3. Give her an extra turn. Now we're going to step out to 360. 5, 6, 7. Open up on 1. 1. Guys, reverse right. Bring the left hand over the head. 2, 3. You're going to grab the other hand and prep. 5, 6, 7. Give her a double turn with the left hand to the right. Hammerlock the right hand. 1, 2. Catch it back. Now the left hand's going to go over the head and drop at the shoulder. 5. Dip your shoulder. So now you're going to catch it in front of you as you do a back charge on 6, 7. So the left hand's going to stay low. We're going to pull with the right. So we're going to flip sides on 1. I'm going to step to the side on 2. She steps with me. So now I'm going to give her a quick right with the right hand on 3. So now on 5, what's going to happen is the right hand is going to go flick down behind the back. Left hand is going to flick up as I step together. 5. So now, as soon as I flick it, left hand goes behind my back. So she catches it and we back charge. 6, 7. So now I'm going to be stepping behind her. So guys are stepping forward. Unwind the hand behind her back. 1. Now I'm stepping across her. So now the right hand is going to start meeting the left hand, going over the head. 2. We're going to go back to back on 3. And we finish the basic. 5, 6, 7. Give her a walk to 1.5 left. Bring her forward. 1. Jerk with the right. 2. We're going to bring it back over. Both hands turn. 3. Follow her on 5. Now both of my hands are just going to go down to make her hands style up. 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Double inside turn. So going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. We're going to pump up on 1. 1. Cross body. 2, 3. Prep. 5, 6, 7. Double right. 1, 2, 3. Back up. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step across on 1. Turn halfway to the left. 1. Step to the side on 2. Quick right on 3. Finish it on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step forward on 1. Then we're going to start turning right away to the right on 2. Keep turning 3. Keep turning 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do an inside turn. So forward on 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6. Break the hands. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.